Everybody, thanks for checking this video out. I just wanted to take a few minutes and do a video of appreciation. How much I appreciate you guys that have subscribed, that have shared my videos, that have commented, just interacted with me on my builds. I really appreciate those things. The reason I'm doing this, what spurred my reason for doing this, is yesterday, today is Saturday. Yesterday, I think it was Friday, that I saw Charlie Mack. Hey Charlie Mack, how you doing, man? Great to see you. He was giving away something. It was like, he's just giving these things away. He had two small kits he was giving away. And it was like, he's just doing this to be nice. Just to say, hey, I've got something and I'd like to give it away. So I was like, that's what we need as a hobby community, is to say, I want to give back, because so many of you guys watch our videos, you like them, you comment, you've subscribed, and I can't really give back. Some of you don't have channels, but I'd like to give back, and this is how I want to do it. So what I'm going to do, and this is not to steal Charlie Mack's thunder. Charlie, you do a great job. I don't want to take anything away from you. I just think this is a great idea that we could do as a modeling community. I've got this kit here, 55 Corvette. Bought it at Ollie's. It's brand new. It's in the plastic still, and I want to give it to someone. I think this is a great way. Again, we can give back. Content creators that expect people to give to us, I want to give back. That kit, I'll ship it to you free of charge, no strings attached. Except I'd like, if you haven't already subscribed, and in the comment section of this video, by your name, by your YouTube name, just say, hey Matt, I would like that kit. And what I'll do is I'll take all the names that have responded in the comment section that said I want that kit or something to that nature, and I'll take all those names and we'll put them in a bowl or a hat or something, and I'll have one of my daughters in 1 week, next Saturday, I'll have one of my daughters reach in all of those names on another video, and we'll pull it out, and whoever it is, I'm going to ship it to you. I'll reach out through the comment section, give you my email address. You can contact me, give me your address, shipping address, and I'll ship this to you free of charge. Nothing to it. I would like to continue to do this. This excites me. I like to give back. I don't have a lot to give, but I like to give. So I'm going to be on the lookout for things while I'm at Hobby Lobby and places, building supplies, kits, whatever. And I like to do this often. So if you would, again, on this, if you want this kit, 55 Corvette by AMT, brand new in the box. If you want this kit, in the comment section, Matt, I want this kit. Matt, put me in the drawing. Matt, something to that effect. I'll do that, and in a week we'll draw it. I'll get your address. I'll ship it to you, and then I'm going to find something else to give away. And this excites me actually more than building kits. I don't know what it is. It's I love to give. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, I expect that you are a subscriber. That's one thing. I do want you to be a subscriber to be able to be entered to win this kit. But a subscriber that then comments, and I know a lot of you guys are going to comment, and I can't wait to give it away. So thanks a lot, guys. Like this video, share it with a friend. Although if you share it with a friend, you're going to have less chances to win the kit. But I hope someone that gets it will enjoy it. If it's putting it on the shelf, if that's what you enjoy, put it on the shelf. If you want to build it, maybe we could see a video of you building it. That would be so cool. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. Put your name in the hat. 1 week from the uploading of this video, I'll draw the names and we will have a winner. Thanks guys. Take care. Bye.